We're on our way to El Viejo Hacienda for a cultural tour. We stop at the Westin Hotel for a couple, joining the tour and pass through small towns and countryside with fields of cantaloupe, pineapple, and sugarcane. Carlos, our guide, tells us about Costa Rica and where we are headed. Event here in Costa Rica, especially in Santa Cruz, Costa Rica, is bull riding, and here is a ring complete with an amphitheater. Sorry, there are no bull riders right now, but it is a unique activity. Taking the cultural tour now, and we're going to check out the rum making. Been going a boat tour, but this is the beautiful hacienda where it starts. We're on the cultural tour at the Hacienda El Viejo, having a little coffee and some fruit. Join us for a wonderful day on this cultural tour experience. Doug, what is it like to make tortillas?
It's very hot, but it's fun to play with it.
call it rum bouillon. Have you ever heard about rum bouillon? The first rum was created on Barbados. In Barbados, and about 15 something, very, very close to the beginning of the season. One that is 3 years, that is one that is 2 years, and that is one that is 1 year. The idea is just to come and smell it. The idea is try to recognize which one is the youngest and which one is the oldest. There were some indigenous tribe here, and every one of those indigenous tribe got they used to have a boss that was called cacique. And the cacique in this area was called Sabandí. That's why we named the rum as him.
We are in Costa Rica today at the Sabandí Rum Distillery, and we are tasting some of their wares, which is very good rum.
What spices did you add to yours?
I added clove, cinnamon, anise, and apple.
I'm going to try mine soon. I added orange, anise, and coconut. We'll
like
see
a
what
good
kind of
combination.
flavor we made.
That's a good combination. Anyway, here we are in Costa Rica.